Yeah. We're going on YouTube. It's your boy.
Wow, yeah.
Jay Sean, back with another video. Today I'm gonna give you a little vlog because I haven't posted in a little minute. Yeah, I'm finna go take this trash off. If my car start clicking, don't laugh. It ain't start clicking. It did not start clicking. We chilling. Well, I'm about to take this trash off with me. About to take this trash off. So I already took the trash off. Now, god damn, we'll drive. But yeah, I already took the trash off. Now we finna go to Dollar General. And then after that, I don't know. I might call my best friend and see what she doing. But other than that, my day basically done. And it's only like 3 o'clock. I might go home and go to sleep. We finna go to sleep. Now I gotta wait till my girl get out of school. I'm gonna call her ass. Yeah. My day, it's not even my day. My life is boring. My life is simple. Yeah. I'm gonna get y'all in Dollar General. Yeah. I don't know what I'm looking for. I do not know what I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm looking for. I already know I'm here. Just wasting gas. I just wasted gas. That's what I did. I wasted gas. You got hats and stuff in here. Got enough hats. Let's leave. Yeah, guess what? I forgot to tell y'all, boy. I might be moving to Alabama. So if you're in Alabama, please text me. Please. I don't know what part. Just Alabama. Please text me. But other than that, my day basically done. My day is basically done. I might go home and go to sleep. Finna go to sleep. Yeah. This video is short though. What can I do? What can I do today? I don't know. Where can I go? Ain't nothing out here. Where can I go? Where can I go? Where can I go? I can't go nowhere. I can't go nowhere. I'm going home. 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 Man, Orangeburg is boring. Orangeburg is boring as hell. It's getting hot in here. I'm back. Alright, so I ain't going home. I'm going to grandma's house. Going to grandma's house. She's not there right now. But we finna go to grandma's house. I'm going to sleep until she get here. Cause knowing her, she gonna ask me to do something for her. Yeah, that's about it. If she do ask me to do something, I'm gonna bring y'all along. But if not, let's go in this video. I ain't gonna lie. I see y'all boy when I see y'all. Bet. I just told y'all she was about to send me to the store. Look at her, send me to the store. Talking about some dish detergent. some dish detergent, sodas, and a loaf of bread. Y'all don't need those sodas. I need some water. That's what y'all need. Y'all need some water. Drink some water. Oh yeah, let me show you something real quick. Let me show you something. Seatbelt. Hold on. Can you see it? Can you see it? Hold on, I don't know. Seatbelt. Somebody dumbass burnt the seatbelt. They burnt the damn seatbelt, so now I can't put my seatbelt on. But we going back to the store. We going back to the store. Yeah, no, it's too low. I don't even know why I did that. There we go. But yeah, we going back to the store. All these dang bumps and humps and stumps and lumps and clumps and jumps and pumps and tumps and umps. I think I said umps. And trumps and tumps and clumps and fumps and grumps. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna get y'all in Dollar General again. Here we go. She said she needs the big bottle. Big bottle. Here we go. I need 2 sodas. Hold on. Big bottle, 2 sodas, and bread. YouTube! Hold on, let me turn my music back on. It's not gonna work, I forgot. But let me tell y'all, right? So, my car turned off, bro. So I'm pulling out. That's something wrong. But like I'm leaving out the neighborhood, like the turn on the main street, and my car shut off. Bro, the whole car shut off, bro. And there was a truck coming. He was hauling ass. Nigga almost hit me. I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared as hell. Y'all niggas gotta realize, when y'all in a car, and another car about to hit y'all, nigga, about to shit on myself. My ass started itching. Bro, that shit bad, bro. But I got her stuff. Now why? She was like, then you must have flew to the store. Like, grandma, the store is right there. The store is right there. But yeah, what I'm about to do is, bitch, get on your side of the road. What I'm about to do is, I'm about to go to the I might go back to her house. I might go put these groceries up. And I think she got me some pineapples. My grandma know I love me some pineapples. Even if they is for her, she gonna be missing it. She gonna be missing a few of them. But yeah, I might go back to the house. Even though I'm pulling up now, going back to her house. And about to put these groceries up. Eat a couple of pineapples. I'm going to bed. It's hot. I might go turn that fan on full blast. That's a done deal. That's raps. It might even let me slump. Man, it might even start snoring. You never know. But I'm going to end this video. That is going to end this video. I'm going to see y'all boys when I see y'all. This is my second time saying that because I was supposed to end the video a little bit. But yeah. Bye. I told you I got some pineapples.